Greetings, everybody. Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. I've been up for quite some time, but this is what my voice sounds like, usually first thing in the morning. So it's a little, it is what it is. Obviously, I'm still in my pajamas. So this video is not about looking pretty. This is a rather serious topic, and I got oatmeal on me. Anyway, I just want to know, when do we become so rude? And when did common courtesy and respect become a bad thing? And why we're so in our egos to assume that if a brother or sister speaks, that automatically means they want us, right? Why do we think that? To the point where we're just outright rude to them because our mind has convinced us that this person wants to do the horizontal hustle just because they said hello, or greetings, or have a good day, or thanks. Even a head nod, right? But it's like if you see a sister or brother and they smile and, give you a head nod and say, oh, have a good day. They may just be saying, have a good day. This person may or may not already be in a relationship. It could be that this person is practicing saying good day to people because maybe at one point in time they were grumpy and they didn't like to speak. So maybe they're coming out of that shell and they're having that trust and confidence that I trust myself. I know that I'm not wanting to do anything. And I trust that I can just have a conversation with somebody without assuming that this person wants me.